Wow. First of all, who is Ken? I need to know it. Wow, really? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm so happy to meet you beautiful people, and you know, it's so nice that you guys keep subscribing to see my pretty face. And yeah, so today I have a guest artist. Or what's your field?
Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today you guys have probably seen the video I have with T here, and you saw
where
how
I beat you.
won.
Nope,
so
I did.
She called for a rematch.
My face was like on flick.
On flop. But anyway, she called for a rematch. So today we are going to be doing like a regular makeup video with mirrors.
So I'm going to.
I mean, I kind of know who's going to win, but let's just.
Thank God you know. Like, bow down to the.
But as you guys already know, I don't really know how to do makeup.
Can we get started, please? Can you?
All right.
I'm ready to beat Arabina's ass.
I mean, I've already primed my face. What did I use? I used some cream like that. But I already primed my face. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows.
What is that? Is that what they call it in Ghana? Eyebrows? I just want to know. I don't know what it is. As you guys can see, I did not prime my face in an undisclosed location somewhere. I'm using CoverGirl because my face has to be covered. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so
I used Maybelline Baby Skin.
Yeah, but we didn't see you when you used it.
Has to be like a baby.
But we didn't see you when you used it. So that's out of this contest, if you know what I mean. Alright, so now, like my emoji mirror. So I'm gonna put my eyebrows.
Like my plane?
Everything is not a contest. I already won. I mean, why are you being difficult? I just want to know.
Moving on.
Okay, so why is everybody quiet? Something is going on. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. I need to sleep if I go. I need to sleep anymore.
Slow. How's it looking? How's it looking?
Please,
but
face yourself.
Just you guys, what am I even saying? In case you guys were wondering, this is what I used to. I kind of ditched my LA Girl concealers. I used to use these, but now I use but now I use this, and it's really nice. It's the NYX HD Studio concealer. It's really nice. It's very like creamy. It's very nice. It blends really well, at least with my skin. This is one of the best concealers I've used, to be honest. But
we're losing the light. We're losing the lights. I don't they look equal like this.
oh my gosh.
I'm actually not really feeling good.
She's feeling very good. She's feeling very good.
The flu. I had the flu for like 2 weeks, I think. So I'm sorry if my makeup is a little rusty, you know. I've just been.
Why didn't she say that in the beginning?
Excuse you.
Why didn't she say that in the beginning?
I can say it anytime.
Someone is going down. Guys, what do you use this for? Well, it's not like I'm going to get an answer immediately,
No,
but
not.
this
Let
is
me just
white.
save you.
I think you put it on your eyes, but I'm not sure. I want to use it, you know. But never mind. Moving on.
She wants to steal my trade secrets. I'm not telling you. Unless you pay me. How much are you gonna pay me?
Nothing.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
Nothing.
Not saying anything. Okay, so now I feel like my face is a little dry, so I'm gonna make sure I wet my. I actually don't perform well under pressure. I'm actually
Lies.
I'm serious. You guys, you need to follow me at Tayomini. I'm going to accept. You see, like the way I slay. Like I really.
What'd you say? Cows good.
Wow, you got jokes. Ha 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 ha! I'm really laughing.
Oh my gosh. Guys.
Wow. First of all, who is Ken? I need to know it.
Wow, really? So we are recording with my phone, right? And I had a call
From Ken, whoever he is. Ken, this video is dedicated to you. Thanks for
we
nothing.
have been recording for like
All of this fabulosity was cool.
what? Like I don't know if I should be mad. I don't know what my mood should be. Really? But anyway, this video will still be posted. It will definitely be posted.
Yeah, because I won.
But basically what happened was what happened?
Ken called. Ken.
Oh my gosh. So we basically
If you know somebody named Ken, please run away from that person. Disclaimer on all Kens.
he's
There's
Nigerian.
been a
by the way.
recall. What's my business with that?
Okay.
There's been a recall on all the
All
Ken
Kens.
dolls. They're
I'm
looking for
so
you guys
mad.
at the factory.
Like Ken really? I don't know what to do, man. Okay. But moving on. Oh yeah, so we were talking about the highlight and I was like, I haven't even like put any highlights, but as you can see, natural highlight puppy. She already put highlights, guys. She already put highlights, but I'm not about to use highlights, so I don't even know the correct place to put it, but anyway.
Exactly. You know, that's why you don't use it. Doesn't mean you shouldn't use it.
Yeah. To smile, and then I know they put wait they put some here, and then they put some
You should
here.
have watched me now. I was doing what was that?
On my own
What's that?
I'll blend
What is
it.
that?
I will blend it.
Wow. Wow.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna blend that.
Wow. Sis just made a comma in her face. That's so
What's my name?
Arabina.
Say it properly. Wait, should we?
Arabina. 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 Okay, how do you guys say it in Twi?
Hey.
Or Twi?
First of all, it's tree. Say tree.
River.
Wait, come. Look here.
I'm trying to do my face.
Say tree.
No, I'm trying to do my face.
No, wait.
here.
We're on a quick commercial break.
River.
Say tree.
River.
Say tree. Okay, say she. She. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah, that's Tile. And I am. What's my name? What's my name?
Wow. What is that? It's definitely not my phone. Not my phone.
My Nigerian name.
Oh yeah, I have to give you a Nigerian name,
I
right?
already have one.
What's your Nigerian name?
They gave me a Deroke.
Why? That's an old woman's name. No.
Ha!
So, today I dub you.
Damilola.
I'm not the one. I'll give you.
Okay, I'm waiting.
I knight you for your first Yoruba name, Oluwaseyi. From now on, YouTube name is going to be Sheyi. Hi guys, this is Sheyi. You know, they have to be well like this. Sheyi.
Guys, I actually have an official Nigerian name.
Alright.
Unfortunately, I don't really like it.
I'm done. Please, what are you doing? So guys, who do you think, you know?
Wait, I'm not done. One thing.
Yeah,
one more
you're
thing.
Talking.
Don't look at me. Why are you looking at me? You're giving me pressure.
Exactly, pressure. Ooh, some setting spray. Alright, all done.
Let's try red. Should we?
Look at that glow. It's so fabulous. Like this. I hope nobody watched me, because the way I do my makeup is very weird and awkward and unique to my own situation. So don't judge me. I am not a makeup artist or anything like that. I am not. I am really not. So, like I said, nobody judge me. Alright, I'm done. Who's the winner? Ow. Those lips, they're not too bold for someone.
Those lipsticks do.
I think I crushed it again. You need to stop inviting me to this. Oh, we're doing that. Oh, wow. All right. Okay, so.
Yay. This is the second time this has happened. This is actually the second time this has happened. So we spoke for like 10 minutes and we were not recording.
We were not.
We were not recording.
We were not. I'm a guest. I mean, obviously.
But
I won anyway. So
yeah, so we were saying comment T if you think she won,
and
comment E if you think I won.
You guys want to see my face, right? You want me to come back? So yeah.
That I know what it's just. But yeah. So that is the end of our very hilarious, interesting, educative video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, like this video, feel free to comment. So that's it. We are going to wash our face and sleep. We are not going anywhere.
We're actually really tired.